Hi, I am Hanushri from Maharani Science College for Women. Today topic Cloud and IoT. Introduction of Cloud and IoT. Definition of Cloud, uses of Cloud, disadvantages of Cloud, types of Cloud, and IoT. Full form of IoT, explain IoT technology, applications of IoT, scope of IoT. Then definition of Cloud. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power without direct active management by the user. The term is generally used to describe data centers available to many users of the over the internet. And then users of cloud. Infrastructure as a service and platform as a service. Hybrid cloud and multi-cloud, text doc and development, big data analytics, cloud storage, disaster recovery, data backup and archiving, communication, social networking, business process of the users of cloud. And disadvantages of the cloud. Disadvantages of the cloud is risk of data confidentially. There is always a risk that user data can be accessed other people. Depends on internet connection, the level of security, compliance, vulnerable in the event of attack, data mobility, technical problem, low connections of the disadvantages of cloud. Then types of cloud. Three types of cloud: public, private and hybrid. Firstly, public. In a public cloud, a business rents the capability and they pay for cloud they use and demand. Private. In a private cloud, a business essentially turns its IT and information technology environment into a cloud and uses it to deliver service to their users. And hybrid. Hybrid clouds combine the elements of public and private clouds. Combine to public and private clouds is a hybrid. And full form of IoT. IoT is the full form Internet of Things, and definition of IoT is the Internet of Things describe the network of physical objects, things that are embedded with sensors, software and other technology for the purpose of connecting and exchanging data with other devices and systems over the internet. Of definition of IoT and Internet of Things. IoT technology explained. Working of IoT technology. The process begins with devices that have built-in sensor. These devices are connected to platform which stores the data from all connected devices. Data, all connections of devices, wireless and wire, all are connected to the devices of IoT. The important data is then used to perform tasks that fulfill the needs of people. IoT applications works with smart systems that automate tasks address specific needs. Four major components of the IoT ecosystem. Firstly, sensors or devices, connectivity, data processing, user interface. First one, sensors or devices. Sensors. The foremost component to consider Internet of Things technology is sensors or devices. Is definition of sensors. A sensors pick up all the many details from an environment. The environment can have many complexities. IoT security is so great is the sensors pick up even the most sensitive changes. These sensors are built in the device which collects all to be used later. Examples GPS or camera etc. Second one, connectivity. Data is collected, it is transferred to the cloud. In infrastructure is also known as IoT platform. But to transfer to the data, the devices will medium. That's when collections like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, WAN cable, cellular networks, etc. come into play. These mediums are all the different and must be chosen wisely for results. The effectiveness IoT security highly depends on the speed and availability of the mediums. Next one is data processing. Data can be stored in the cloud. In after data processing, after reaching the cloud interface, the data has to be analyzed so that the right action can be taken. The analysis can be as simple as checking the temperature of the AC, or a complex one such as situation where an intruder comes in a device has to identify it through cameras. IoT applications is made such that it can process all the data and at a fast rate to take immediate actions. Last one is user interface. The last step is when the user is notified about the actions with help of a notification and alert sound sent to the IoT mobile apps. This was the user will know that his command has been run through the systems. And IoT means to the business world. IoT, Internet of Things, as the users of the business, as healthcare and hospitals, education in school, retail is a shopping mall, share economy, real estate, travel, and her etc. And IoT users. IoT refers to an ecosystem of interconnected devices that share information with each other without human intervention. Different IoT applications that exist to the market are smart homes, smart grids connected to health, wearables, etc. Examples of IoT is smart TVs, speakers, toys, wearables, etc. Internet of Things is the connected to Wi-Fi, utilities, intelligent of buildings, smart agriculture, smart cities, smart of energy, security, e-govern, smart study are also uses IoT. Thank you for